Good morning, traders. Good morning, traders. Today we're going to discuss live scalping trading tips and tricks on a 10-minute time frame. I want to buy the Australian dollar yen, okay, at 7682. Well, this is a limit order to buy the Australian dollar yen at 7682. All right, that limit order is not yet filled. It will be filled at 7682. If you look carefully, I'm on a 10-minute time frame. The price breaks above, okay, the red bearish trend line. Pay attention carefully. My order is going to be filled now at 7682. It's coming up. Boom. Now I'm in this trade, my friend. I'm now in this trade. Okay. Live scalping, trading tips and tips. I'm now in this trade. Okay. So I'm going to use a tiny stop loss. This is 3. I'm going to go. Bear with me, please. From the 10, I'm going to go now to the 2-minute time frame and look for a very nice place to place my stop loss. 12 pips, yes. Place my stop loss at 7670. 12 pips stop loss. All right. Using 12 pips stop loss. So I'll color my stop loss in turquoise. Beautiful. So I'm now in this trade at 7682, stop loss at 7670. That's 12 pips stop loss. And I'm going back to the 10-minute time frame to show you why I want to buy the Australian dollar yen on a 10-minute time frame. You can see that the price was bearish, okay, for a few days. Since the 23rd of September 2016, it was just going down, going down, going down. And then suddenly, the price has escaped, so to speak, the red bearish channel. All right, it came out of the bearish channel. Here it is, this move up. But the reason why I want to buy is the way the price pulled back to retest the top of that bearish channel. So you can see that the price was trying to retest the top of this channel on a 10-minute time frame. Yes or no? Breaks above, retest. And some people start buying it, and I join them to buy above this resistance here. You see, there was a resistance here, you see? All right, I was buying in that zone. That resistance was also a support level before. See the pink line? It was a support level. That has converted into resistance here. Now the price returned above that support, that resistance level, the pink line, and I want to buy. But the reason why I want to buy, I'm using a bit of Elliott wave here, because the price, the way the price came down, it came down in 5 moves. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that the last part of this move down, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the last part was extended. You can see that it was a bit prolonged because the market, the professional trader want to push it very close to the top of the red declining channel. All right, they were quite desperate to push it quite close to the edge of the declining channel. And here it is. As it touch it, people start buying it, and the price start going up. And it was trying to break above. Well, what is happening here is very interesting. At the point where I was buying, you see that it formed a higher low in comparison to this low here. And not only that, the price was also breaking this resistance here. Very interesting, you see. So it formed a higher low, but because the bullish momentum is increasing, it also breaks above this resistance here. But what I'm doing is more to do with Elliott wave because of the price structure. All right, so when we are talking about Elliott wave pattern, we are talking about the price structure. So the way the price came down, it came down. This is a corrective wave that has been, it's corrective wave that has been subdivided into 5. All right. So normally a corrective wave should be subdivided into 3. So when a corrective wave is subdivided into 5, all right, there's a high chance that we may see a bit of bounce up. That's what I'm doing here. All right. Let's go to the hourly time frame and see what is happening here. On the hourly time frame, you can see also that the price breaks a bow. You see here on the hourly time frame, it breaks a bow over the red channel, and on the hourly time frame, it was retesting the edge of that channel, and the stochastic 833 on the hourly time frame is also oversold. All right. Okay, so we can also notice on the hourly time frame that the price formed many bottoms. So there was one low here, equal low, and the same zone, the stochastic, the price has formed triple bottom. This is also a high probability trading setup on the hourly time frame, but it's not yet ready on the hourly time frame. All right, it's not yet ready because this candle here on the hourly time frame should be closed first. All right, should be closed first. It's not yet closed. So price form a triple bottom on the hourly time frame. Now the first higher low is being formed. It's not yet completed. I'm a bit eager to scalp trade. I need to go back to my 10-minute time frame to see what's happening here. You can see that the price went up a bit and is coming back down because I'm using only 12 pips for this trade. I need to keep my eyes on this trade. All right, hold on, please, traders. Hold on, please. I'm still here. All right. That's it. So you understand what's happening here, all right? So, but as I explained to you already, the reason why I want to buy is the way the price came down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. The last part has been extended. All right. Now it's changing direction. I don't want to turn this scalping video into Elliott wave analysis. Therefore, I will not talk about Elliott wave in this tutorial as such, but I'm just mentioning it to you that it's because of the price structure on this 10-minute time frame. That's why I want to buy at 7682, and I'm already in this trade using 12 pips. I will also set a profit target. Let's see. So you can see that the price, what's this happening here, the scalp place, as the price rally up to this level here, you see here. 10 pips, the scalp place are coming out. It's a resistance level, you see here. You rally up to the next resistance level, and the scalp place are coming out with 10 pip profit, while I was busy explaining to you, what is happening here, all right? I will be asking for more. 881. All right. Okay, I'll be expecting 18 pips out of this trade. 18 pips out of this scalping trade. So I will set my profit target at 7700. That's the orange line on my chart. That's it. So it's all set beautifully, all right? Using a bit of Elliott wave, the price structure, price breaks out of a declining channel, bullishly, very strong. You can see the deviation, that's what I'm talking about all the time. So when you see the price breaks above a bearish trend line, we want it to run a little bit away from the trend line. This is good. It's indicating to us that the bulls are pushing it up. They don't want it to come near this level. So they push it up, a deviation from the bearish trend line, which is good, indicating to us that the bullish momentum is increasing. Now, anotherly pullback. This is a beautiful orderly pullback. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the edge of the trend line. Now it's going up. Isn't it beautiful? An orderly pullback. All right. Now, the reason why some traders came out very fast after 10 pip moves up to this resistance here is because they don't understand a wave. If they did, they will wait a little bit more, expecting more profit out of their scalping trade. All right. So that's why I want to, 18 pips instead of 10 pips. All right. The time in London, this is a live scalping. So by the way, the time in London is 49 minutes past 2 p.m. on the 27th of September 2016. All right. In New York, 49 minutes past 9 a.m. All right. To avoid that this tutorial is too long, as always, all right, I will pause the video, all right, and we'll come back to it if there's something interesting happening. All right. But as always, when we enter a scalping trade, we want to get paid as soon as possible. Within 30 minutes, that would be great. Even faster than that, within 15 minutes, that would be great. But on average, within 30 minutes, maximum within 1 hour. All right? So this is what we want really very, very fast. That's what we will prefer before the stochastic traders come in and mess up everything. All right? So I'm using 12 pips. The price is now up, how many pips? Okay, 7 pips up. Okay, 7 pips up. I'll wait a little bit more. If it goes above this resistance here, I'll move my stop loss to reduce my risk. So because originally I'm using 12 pips, if the price goes up more, like 12 pips, I'll move my stop loss a little bit up, 5 pips up. That will reduce my stop loss to 7 pips instead of 12 pips that I'm using originally. You understand? As a scalper, I'm controlling the risk. As the price moving up, I'm reducing my risk tolerance. Okay. All right. So this may sound so easy to a lot of traders, but it's not easy scalping. So because you don't have the whole day, and you want to get it right and get paid. All right. So work on it, okay. Work with market principle, work with stochastic pattern, work with specific patterns, work with high probability trading setup, okay. Because by scalping, one is competing against the high frequency traders, okay. All right. So I will be pausing the video for the first time after 30 minutes recording. I'll place my vertical line down and I will come back to it if there is something interesting happening here, okay? Pausing the video for the first time. Speak to you soon. Okay, traders, is working beautifully here. What I'm going to do, the price now 1,576.96. That's 4 pips away from my target. So I'm now 14 pips in profit. I'll move my stop loss, okay, 7 pips up. All right, so I'll move my stop loss 7 pips up, leaving it at 7677. So I'll reduce my stop loss to 5 pips. This is good. So I'm managing my scalping by reducing my stop loss as the price is heading towards my target. So I'm down to 5 pips stop loss instead of 12 pips that I was using originally, okay? So there are other traders already coming out of the trade, and we want it to go up a little bit more. You can see that there is a bit of resistance here also. So some traders are already coming out. I'll wait a little bit more because I'm only risking 5 pips, so I'll wait a little bit more and see what will happen, okay? So stopping at 7694. There are sellers here, some scalpers are coming out. Okay, I'm going to drop it down to the 2-minute time frame to zoom into it. Okay, let's go to the 2-minute time frame. Okay. So those are stochastic trader on the 2-minute time frame. Try to sell it now instead of allowing the price to go up more. Should I close it? All right. That's 12 pip profits. If it's taking too long, I'll close it. Okay. 9, 7, 3 pips more. Okay, I'm out of this trade at 7698. I'm out of this trade at 7698, 16 pips instead of 18 pips. That's a very good trade. So has been again a profitable scalping. You see, it came quite close. Okay, quite close to my target here. So 16 pips instead of 18 pips. I hate to wait too long, especially if one is scalping. You want to get in and get pay and get out. All right. All right. Very simple, isn't it? Very, very simple. So 10-minute time frame. Setup was in place. Price breaks above a bearish trend line. And retest it with a specific price structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's something very interesting about this trading setup. It's because the last part of the pullback is very interesting, very, very telling. The way it was extended, trying to retest the top of the bearish channel. That's very good, all right? So now that I'm out of this trade, if I want to buy again, use it for scalping purposes, I'll allow it to go above 7700, break above, and then to form a higher low above it, or to retest it, okay? So this is the end of this tutorial again, talking about live Forex scalping, trading tips and tricks. This time we were trading, we were scalping, okay, the Australian dollar yen, and was a profitable trade of 16 pips, 16 pips. Originally I was using 12 pips. By managing the trade, I reduced it down to 5 pips, which is good because of okay, the reactionary price. And okay, I came out okay at 7698, taking 16 pip out of this trade within 30 minutes. Very good, isn't it? Very good indeed. All right. So if you have any question or suggestion, all right, put it in the comment section. And in due course, I will be busy recording another video to answer your specific question. By the way, if you want to learn more about Elliott wave price structures, subscribe to 24 Elliott Waves YouTube channel, digit 2, digit 4, Elliott Waves in plurals, okay, YouTube channel, okay. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. We are the TSTW, 24 traders talking about live Forex scalping tips and tricks. Speak to you soon.